Hello students, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This video is for class plus 2 students. In this video we will discuss revision test of mathematics. So let's begin. First question is, which of the following functions f is such that r to r is a bisection? Bisection means 1 1 and onto. Now this function is 1 1 and onto, so it is bisection. So to verify, fx1 is equal to fx2, that is 7x1 plus 8 is equal to 7x2 plus 8, implies x1 is equal to x2. So it is 1 1 function because fx1 is equal to fx2 implies x1 is equal to x2, so it is 1 1. Now for onto, let y is equal to 7x plus 8 and x is equal to y minus 8 by 7. Now fx, that is 7. Now put value of x, that is y minus 8 by 7 plus 8, 7 7 cancel, 8 8 cancel. So fx is equal to y, so it is onto function. Next question, if fx is equal to 10x and gx is equal to e raised to the power x, then g of x is equal to. Now g of fx is equal to g of fx is equal to 10x. Now g of 10x is equal to e raised to the power 10x. Change x with 10x. We get e raised to the power 10x. So answer is B option. Next, the relation R is equal to 1 1 2 2 3 3 1 2 2 3 defined on the set A is equal to 1 2 3 is. So clearly it is reflexive relation. 1 is related to 1, 2 is related to 2, 3 is related to 3. This type of relation is called reflexive. So answer is A option. Next, if for a function f is such that r to r, we have f of f x is equal to x. So it is invertible function, that is f is equal to f inverse. So answer is D. Next question, the function f is such that z to z fx is equal to x square. Now check this function for 1 1. Let fx1 is equal to fx2, that is x1 square is equal to x2 square, implies x1 is equal to plus minus that is x1 is equal to plus minus x2. So it is not 1 1 function, and the function which is not 1 1 is many 1. So answer is A option. Question number 6. Sin inverse x plus sin inverse y is equal to, this is based upon formula, so its answer is B option. Next, sin inverse sin pi by 3 is equal to pi by 3. Next, sin inverse 1 by 7 plus cos inverse x is equal to pi by 2. Now by using formula, sin inverse x plus cos inverse x is equal to pi by 2. So clearly x is equal to 1 by 7. So answer is B option. Next, if sin inverse x is equal to y, then y belongs to. So y belongs to minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 close interval. Next, principal value of tan inverse 1 is, very simple question, pi by 4. If tan inverse x is equal to y, then x belongs to R, real numbers. Which of the following matrix is a skew symmetric matrix? Now take this matrix. If we take transpose of this matrix, 0, 5, minus 5, 0. So this is skew symmetric matrix because A transpose is equal to minus A. Next question. Very simple. A matrix is given. A is equal to 4, 1, 9, 0, 5, 2. Then A 2, 3 is equal to. A 2, 3 means second row, third column. So answer is 2. Next, if A plus B is equal to C, where B is a matrix of order 3 by 3, then order of A is. If order of B is 3 by 3, then order of A is also 3 by 3. Because for addition of matrices, all matrices have same order. So A, B and C are of 3 by 3 matrix. So answer is D option. Next question 15. If x, y, 1, 6, x is equal to 12, 1, 6 and 4, then y is equal to, by using equality of matrices, x is equal to 4 and xy is equal to 12. Put value of x in this equation. 4 multiplied by y is equal to 12, that is y is equal to 3. So answer is B option. Next question, which of the following matrix is a symmetric matrix? And the answer is C option, because when we take transpose of this matrix, it is equal to itself, that is A transpose is equal to A. Next 17 question. If A is equal to 3 minus 7, then A transpose is equal to, very simple question. Take transpose of this matrix, we get 3 minus 7. So answer is D option. Next question number 18. If A is equal to 2, 3, 5, then order of matrix A is. Order of A means number of rows 1, 2 and 3 and number of column is 1. So order is 3 by 1. Answer is B option. Next question number 19. If order of matrix A is M by N and order of B is P by Q, then AB exists if. Now order of A is M by N and order of B is P by Q. Now AB exists if N is equal to P. So answer is D option. Last question. If AB is equal to C, where B and C are matrices of order 3 by 4 and 5 by 4 respectively, then order of A is. Now order of B is given 3 by 4 and order of C is given 5 by 4. So order of A is equal to 5 by 3. So answer is B option. I hope you all understand all questions well. Keep watching my videos. Thank you.